Okay, so this video is changing the front daytime running light, which is this one, on a Fiat 500. So what you want to do, first thing is turn your steering the opposite way. So I want to change this front left, so I've turned my steering to the right, and then you can access the panel in front of the wheel. So just behind the wheel arch at the front, there's just a panel there. So what you can do is this pinches together and pulls out, and you can remove that, and then you'll see there's this rubbery looking thing. There's a little lever and you can just slide that out and then pop it down. Now, I already changed my bulb before I did this video, but if you look, just one second, into the round thing, the daytime running light is the top one, so this top black circle. So what you do, it's quite hard to show you, but you have to turn it quarter counterclockwise. So turn it a quarter towards you, and then you'll see at the front that you can pull the bulb back out through there. Okay, so I'm just going to pop mine back in because that one's already been replaced. Okay, so my bulb that I pulled out is this, and it's got these little, metal things coming down. When you get a new bulb, they might be sticking up, so as long as you've got a metal thing down each side, that should be fine. That's my old bulb. So once you've pulled it out, you pull the bulb out and you just take the old one out and then push this new one back in the same way, and then slide it back through and then click it back into place a quarter turn clockwise back into its position there, and then that's it. You should have replaced it, and then the next thing to do is just pop this cap back on over the top, make sure that's secure, and then you can refit this panel, and that's it, done. New bulbs, guys.